Hello everyone, this is Mugundan Raghavan, and today we are going to start a new series on PowerShell. You might be wondering what is PowerShell and what to do with the PowerShell. Let's dive into today's introduction part and we will see how to set up the PowerShell. If you ask the basic question, what is PowerShell? PowerShell is the command line shell. If you are from the Linux background, you might be knowing about the bash. It is very similar to that, but it will be for the Windows system. You can play any role like a system admin, developer, IT professional, or IT developer, or IT software engineer, or IT tester. Any role can be, but if you are using the Windows system, you will definitely have a chance to use the PowerShell command. It just because it will automate lot of tasks so that you will reduce your workload. The best part is you don't need to have an installation part here. If you are using the Windows 7 and later any Windows system, you will be having the PowerShell pre-installed in your Windows system. So that means that here you directly jump into the practical. Let's go to the Windows and look for the PowerShell. Just type PowerShell and you will have the PowerShell. It looks very similar to the command prompt, but it has more capabilities than what we think. First of all, as part of this video, we will just try to see the print statement. Obviously, anyone starts any scripting language or any programming, we will try to use the hello world. The same thing we will try to use it here. To display something on your console, you will be using the write host. And after that, in double quotes, you can mention the thing that you want to display. Yes, we have the simple print statement by using the commandlet called write host. However, in coming videos, we will see what are the different naming convention we can use it, how the files can be saved, and how to script it, how are the variables are declared, what are the different types of automation we can do with the PowerShell. More things on the coming videos. Till then, always be a rainbow in others' cloud.